The first step is, where do you find these properties, okay? You can find properties on the MLS, which a lot of time you have to build your relationship with your real estate agents. I'm a real estate agent as well, and whoever you want to work with, make sure that they know what you're looking for, especially analyzing the numbers, which we'll go over here in a little bit. They can find you deals, or they can find you retail properties, which when I first got started, I knew how to calculate the numbers, and every time I call an agent and say, hey, find me, fixer-uppers or a deal an investor would buy. And they would put me on their drip list, and they would send me retail properties. And they got frustrated because those are retail properties. We can't make any profits out of them, right? Retail buyers might be okay with it, but we need to buy at anywhere from 60% and below, basically 60 cents on the dollar and below. And so I had to train these real estate investors how to find it, okay, based on what the real estate education I've learned. Off-market deals. Off-market deals is finding properties from the wholesalers. You guys familiar with wholesalers? Yeah? So wholesalers are individuals, they find homeowners that are motivated to sell their properties before it even goes on the market. And with that, you're not fighting the sea of investors, right? Because it's not on an open market yet. So wholesalers will go out there, cold call, drop yellow letters and all that good stuff, and negotiate a lower price. And then what they'll turn around is grab that contract and wholesale it to investors like me and soon to be you guys, okay? And then they make a little bit of commission, like a fee, anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000, which is wholesaling is very, very attractive because it requires no, high experience. We can get started by just, start calling people, start door knocking, start driving in the neighborhoods and finding properties.